Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kaji Arif, lecturer in English of Udayan University Degree College, Sagata Gaibandha. Welcome everyone to my online class. And today's lesson is special for my SSC first and second year student. Dear student, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. My dear students, today I would like to discuss your question number 4, that is pronoun reference. And in my last class, I also discussed pronoun reference, and in that class, I discussed the definition of pronoun and its classification. And today, we are going to practice, and we are going to I would like to give you some short techniques how can we easily solve pronoun reference in the exam. And let's see. And before going to practice, we have to follow the chart, because the chart is very important for solving pronoun reference. Look at the chart. Number, person, number and case. Okay, we know that person is three kinds, first, second. Okay, and actually you have to know also the case. I is subjective, I is subjective, me objective, my or mine possessive, who relative, myself reflexive. Okay, that is, at the same time you have to know the person, number and case of the pronoun. Okay, so you have to follow the chart. Okay, the chart is very important for your pronoun reference. My dear students, this is singular and this is plural. Singular, plural. He, she, it. Okay, he indicates the masculine gender. Okay, he, him, his, who, himself. She indicates feminine gender. That means she, subjective, objective, possessive, relative, reflexive. It indicates neuter gender, subjective, objective, possessive, relative and reflexive. And these are singular, and the plural form of these words are they. Okay, subjective, objective, possessive, relative, reflexive. If the noun is plural, okay, you should not follow the gender. You should use the pronoun they, them, their, who, themselves. Dear students, let's start the practice, or let's see the example. Okay, Robert Bruce was a brave king. Look at the board. Here we know that according to the subject or head word of the first sentence, we should use the pronoun of the second sentence. So Robert Bruce is a male person, and its subjective form will be he, not she or it. She or it, incorrect. Okay. Next, go for 2. We should love your, my, our country. Which will be the correct form? Okay. Actually, here the subject is we, and the possessive form of we is, we know that our, not your or mine. Okay. According to the subject or pronoun, you should use the possessive case of pronoun or noun. We know that subjective case use before the verb. Okay. And objective we can use after verb and preposition. Possessive before noun we should use the possessive case. Relative, that is to close, to connect the two clauses, we can use relative clause or relative pronoun. Actually, reflexive after subject, when we can use the emphasis, give the emphasis, we should use reflexive pronoun. Let's see rule number 3. Trees help us in many ways. Okay, so we should not count it or them. What will be the correct answer? Actually, trees is plural, right? So we should use here them, not it. It is singular, but as the subject is plural, so we should use here the plural objective form of trees. Next, go for 4. I know the man who or which came here. What is the correct answer? My dear student, you have to know the antecedent. Here the antecedent is person, so we should use here who, not which. And if the antecedent is not a person, you should use there which. Next, go for 5. Once a cook roasted a duck for his master. When he or master said to it. Actually, in the first sentence there are two nouns, okay, cook and master. So we should use here the, according to the meaning of the sentence or noun, you have to use the master, not he, to clear the pronoun. My dear students, I hope that this class is clear to you. No more today. See you in the next class.